Today on our Inside the Workshop, Craig heads to H&H Auctions at Duxford. We check the progress on our current restoration projects, and Tom and Nick deliver a Jensen CV8.
A very good afternoon from the Imperial War Museum in Duxford. We're here for the H&H Classic Car Auction.
£40,000 to buy number 269 of his provisional suit.
Behind me is our 1973 Saab 96 V4. Now, it has actually been stored in our hangar before, but today we are investigating a clutch fluid leak. Above me is our 1964 Daimler 250. Now, Scott has assessed this car. New engine mounts have been fitted and the brake master cylinder was replaced. Above me is our 1959 Jensen 541R. Now, the newly painted body has been attached to the chassis and the assembly continues. This is our 1987 Porsche 928 Series 4. Now, it has just had the aftermarket wheels replaced with the original ones. It has also had the parcel shelf fixed by one of our technicians, Brian, and it is going to be a future competition car. Keep your eyes peeled, everybody. Joining the Porsche as a future competition car is our 1979 Austin Morris Mini 850. Now, this car has benefited from having a full repaint by our team here at Bridge Classic Cars. We are here with Chris and Monty, who are working on the Jensen Interceptor Mark III. So what are you up to today, Chris?
We've been fitting in the floors for the Jensen, and then we've done the sills, well, just on the one side. We've got the sill cover now that we're just modifying to make it fit up exactly how it was from the factory using the bead roller. And then what that does is that sort of puts a step in the panel, just so everything fits up nice and flush. Yeah, and then that's it.
Amazing, thank you so much.
No worries.
We have here our 1976 Aston Martin AM V8, and it is now being prepped for painting. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We will see you very soon for another Inside the Workshop. But if you can't wait till then, do check out the project section on our website.